Hi guys, this is my video on must-have apps for Android tablets, but this does not mean these apps are not gonna run on other smartphones. These apps are very well suited for tablets, and I will be coming up with more apps, so stay subscribed for more, and let's begin the countdown. The first one here in my list is the Tablified Market HD. It's a free app. You can get this app from the Play Store. It's like the Play Store, or say the Play Store especially for tablets. It suggests applications very well suited for your tablets. So here, if you tap here, you have additional options. You can get into recently added, editor's choice, and so on. Apps for work, top apps for reading, tablet news, tools and utility apps. You can get into this various sections. You also have additional options at the top. You can get into apps, games, and what's hot. So here you have tablet news app. So all these app that you get here runs really good on tablets. Say for example this live wallpaper, minimalistic text, widgets, and so on. So you also get into games. To find games are very well suited for your tablets. So basically this app provides you with applications that runs really good on your tablets. So that's my number one. The next one here is the Nexus 7 camera launcher. Guys, by default we don't have any camera app with the Nexus 7. If you are using any other tablets like the Tab 2 or the Tab or the Asus Prime and so on, you will have the stock camera app, but with the Nexus 7 you don't get it, so you can get it from the Play Store, and this helps you launch the front facing camera. So here I am. So that's pretty much it. You can also get into this video mode, okay, and get into additional settings and stuff. So guys, I have a video on how to enable 720p video recording on your Nexus 7. So if you want to check that out, click on the link that pops up right now, and you can also get that link in the description. So that's my number two. The next one here is the Assistant. This is like the Siri that you get with the iOS, and I've been using this app since the last 2 days. Okay, so my net connection is not working really well, but anyway, I will just quickly show it to you how it exactly works. And guys, trust me, it works great. What's your name?
My name is Sam.
Where are you from?
I live and work in cyberspace, so I'm from everywhere all at once.
Search for Explore Gadgets on Google.
These are Google's top results for exploring gadgets.
So this is how it works. The recognition capacity, or say the ability, is really good. You also can customize this avatar. That's what they say. Get into customizations and get into appearance, and you can use this. So this is the new avatar. So I'll definitely suggest you to try this once. So that's my number three. The next one here is the ES File Explorer. This is one of the best file explorer that I have come across. You can manage all your files. You can have a look, or you can access all your files on your internal as well as your external memory card if you have. And you also can access to system files and so on, as in system files. There you go. Say if you flash custom ROMs, if you like to add mods and so on, sometimes you do need to access a system file. So this file explorer allows you to do so. This file manager also helps you extract zip files, extract RAR files, so you can manage all your files. So I'll definitely suggest you to try this file manager, as in the file explorer. So that's my number four. The next one here is the SwiftKey tablet, one of the best keyboard that I've come across for tablet, as in for my Nexus 7. So this keyboard provides you with various features like the SwiftKey Flow. This is like the glide feature that you get with the Android 4.2.2, various languages and personalization, theming and customization options. So let's quickly have a look at it. So this is the keyboard. It looks really nice. SwiftKey Flow feature works really great. Okay. So the prediction is amazing, and you have automatic spacing as well. And when you get into this landscape mode, you have this kind of a layout on your you have this kind of layout for your keyboard on your tablet. So very very helpful, or say very easy to access all the buttons on your keyboard. Let's get into settings. So from here you can customize. You can enable a swift key flow. You can download various languages if you want to for word prediction and so on. You also can customize your keyboard. Let's change the theme. Now let's get back. So now you see it looks amazing. So the next one here is the G player, or say the floating player, and this is well known for the pop-up player feature that it provides. So when you play a video, you have this this kind of floating player, and now you can go ahead and do your multitasking and stuff. So very well known for its for this feature, and you also can get back to full screen. So this is how it works. The next one is the app lock. So with this app, you can lock any of your applications. Say for example, on your gallery, you might have some private pictures, or in your messaging app, you might have some private messages as well. So in case if you want to lock it, for the first time you need to set a password. So that's my password, and hit OK. Confirm password, and you can set up this security question. So I'll be back with you once I'm done with this. So once you're done, you will get this interface. Okay, now say I want to lock my Chrome. Now hit enable this. You must enable this, and now that you launch your Chrome, you will it will ask you for the password. So very handy, very handy. The next one here is the swipe pad. So again, this app is very handy for multitasking, and when you launch it, you can customize this app. You can do the setup for this application, so you can just go through it. So you see this red line over here. So this is the place where you need to make a swipe and launch this swipe pad. So let's launch the swipe pad. So when you make a swipe from here, you have this portal 1, portal 2. So you can add applications like this. You can choose from applications, shortcuts, widgets, and all applications and so on. So let's get into applications. So here we have the list. Say for example, I need the convert pad. Again, I need, you can set in your favorite applications, or the applications that you use the most. The Grumpy PS game. So now you need to make a swipe, and just get into it and just leave it, and you launch that app. So very handy. The next one here is the Dribbler. So I have an in-depth review for this app. Click on the link that pops up right now, or check the description again to get into the full review of this app. So this app automatically detects your device and giving the related news to your device. Say for example, if you have any new firmware update or any app game well suited for your device, you will get it. Not only for tablet, this app will automatically detect your device and provide you with latest news, rumors, updates, and so on. So here we have how to speed up your Nexus 7 in a minute. So you have various tutorials as well. So since I'm using this app on my Nexus 7, it detected this Nexus 7, and hence we have the related news for this Nexus 7 only. So you also have various news, various rumors and stuff like that. So you can just go through it and stay updated on your device. The next one here is the Office Suite 7. A very handy app, helps you, edit, explore, view, share your Word documents, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and it also supports PDF files, as in you can view your PDF files, you can read your ebooks that is in the PDF format, and you can edit your documents on the go. So basically, you are carrying the Office suite with this app. So it's a must-have for any Android device. The next one here is the Easy Uninstaller. So there are so many applications that you cannot view it on your app drawer. Okay, say for some live wallpapers, you don't have the icons of that wallpaper, of that live wallpaper on your app drawer. And say if you want to uninstall it, what then? So in that case, you need to get this Easy Uninstaller. And here you'll have the list of all the applications installed on your phone. And you can just check it, any applications that you want to uninstall, and hit uninstall. Very easy and very useful too. The next one here is the Power Amp Music Player, one of the best music player that I've come across. So guys, this music player provides you with additional options to customize your equalizer and so on. You can give it your own preset, custom preset. You can do your setup for your volume, equalizer, tone, bass boost, and so on. So you can set your preset according to your preferences, and you also can do various setup. Say for example, let's get into settings. You can add various themes to this player. You can get it from the Play Store. You can automatically download album arts for your songs, do this setup for your audio, folders and library and so on, headset and so on. So a very what do you say, amazing music player with an amazing user interface. The next one here is the TubeMate video downloader. So you don't get this app from the Play Store. What you need to do here is get into the browser on your device and search for TubeMate APK downloads, and you can download the APK file and start using it. It's a very handy app to download videos from YouTube. Say for example, you need to download this video, tap it, hit this green icon, hit download, and select the quality you want to download for high-end devices, and here you have your download started. Really works, it really works great. The next one here is the smart voice recorder. So if you want any voice recorder for your tablet, this is the best voice recorder. Very simple and very easy to use UI. You just can tap here to start start recording. You also have this equalizer kind of animation here, and once that's done, you can hit finish, and you can rename your audio that you have recorded, and you can simply jump into recordings from here as well. The next one here is the HD widgets. So guys, here we have all the widgets, and HD widgets provides you with so many widgets for weather, toggles, time and date and so on. So here we have the widgets with various grid sizes, and according to the preferences you can just place it. So as soon as you place it, you just get into this customization space. From here you can select the background of this toggle. According to your preferences you can just set it up. Okay, you also can change the font color, the text color, like this. And once you're done with your customization part, you can just hit save, and there you go, you have your widget. So a very handy widget, providing you with so many widgets and giving you additional customization options. The next one here is the Pixlr Express. It's a photo editor and one of the best photo editing app that I've come across. So you can choose your picture that you want to edit, and you have various customization options. Various editing options. Into adjustments you have crop, blur, contrast, that is for your brightness and contrast and so on. So you can just customize your pictures according to your preferences and hit apply. You also can add effects to your picture. So say for example like this, you have various effects to choose from, and you also can download additional effects like the default, soft, subtle and so on. You also can overlay various effects to your picture. Say for example this default effects like this. You also can download additional effects like the leaking HD leaks. As soon as you tap it, you start downloading it. So once the download is complete, you'll have additional effects and so on. So let's get into border. It's same with the border as well. You have the default borders here, and like this, and you also can download additional borders with various various effects like the ink, nature, grunge and so on. You also can add texts on your pictures, and you also can add stickers as well. So you can with a single app you can make an image fancy, funky, or say you can keep it simple. The next app in my list is the Home Launcher. You can launch this app the way you launch your Google Now on your device. So on my Nexus 7 I can launch it like this. So this will ask me whether I want to launch the Google Now or the Home Launcher. I'll select the Home Launcher, and how this app helps you is this will help you to launch any of your apps very quick. You can customize it. You can hit add. You can add your favorite applications or the apps that you use the most, like I have done it. Like I have, just say, these apps on my list, and now that I launch my Home Launcher, I'll have these apps, and I can quickly launch any of the app that I want. The next one here is the Word Web. one of the best dictionary for Android devices. So the best thing about this dictionary is it does not require Wi-Fi connection or the internet connection. So let me just quickly show it to you. Let me just disable the Wi-Fi. Now searching for any word, let's say search for so there you see my Wi-Fi is not connected and it works great. The next app in my list is the AirDroid. This app helps you connect your device to your PC or your Mac wirelessly, as in you don't require any wires to connect your device to your PC. What you basically need to do here is your device and your PC must be running the same internet, and on your PC you must open your browser and type in this IP address, and then you can access this device and you can do the sharing between these devices. The next one here is the Google Keep. You can use this app as a reminder, as a to-do list, task manager, sticky notes, and all the important tasks that you need to do so that you never miss out on anything important. You can add a quick note here, something important, and hit done, and there you have it. So you can keep in all your important notes and tasks so that you don't miss out on anything important. So very simple app and a very easy to use interface. The last one for this video is the Convert Pad. So basically it's a converter, and you can do the unit selection here, say for example a centimeter, and give in the value, say 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter equals to 10 decimeter. It's 3.2 foot. It's 0.001 kilometer, 1 meter. So you have all your converted units here, and you also can select the category, the area, volume, currency, and so on. The last one for this video is the Pulse News. It's a news app and one of the best news app. So here, as soon as you launch this app for the first time, this is what you'll get. You have various categories. You can select among them. Say for example, I need technology, sports, music, fun and humor. So you can just go through these categories and hit start reading. So here you'll have your, just a moment guys, I'll come back to it in a moment. So here you'll have your news. So you can just go through the headlines, and if you are interested in any one of it, you can simply tap onto it to get into the detail. Again, if you make a swipe right, just a moment guys, if you make a swipe right, here you can customize your you can do the setup for this application. You can add additional content, like you can add other categories as well, from news, technology, we have sports, business, lifestyle, and so on. So you can just do the setup for this application, and you can start reading news and stay updated on what's happening around the world. So that's all for this video guys. I'll be coming up with a second part very soon, so stay subscribed for more, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment sections. So thanks a lot for watching once again, and you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.